Hello guys, welcome back to Garitech Interior Design. So here we have a four-bedroom house that I have told you later that it will take almost at least it was 1 week to completion. So we have done with the electrical design, interior for electrical, and then it's remaining only for wardrobe. Then if you have not yet subscribed, kindly like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will appreciate you so much. So as you can see, this is our front balcony. As you can see, there's a security light here. As you can see, it's a 30 watts. And then here on this balcony, we have this beautiful full moon over here that operates towards so anyone who is here. So let me take you inside, and then you can see how this amazing is it. So as you can see, this is our, let's say this is our corridor. This is a short corridor. It has two corridors. This one and there's another one that enters towards the kitchen and the two bedroom. So let me take you a tour on our sitting room. As you can see, this is our sitting room. So this is our centerpiece light. As you can see, it is a four cup hanging plate chandelier. As you can see, it has some beautiful amazing. As you can see, it changes. So as you can see, and then there's that one, and then there's that one, guys. So sorry for the bright, but it will be so okay. And then here we have four wall brackets. As you can see, the first one is there, and then the second one is over there, and then the third one and the fourth one is over here. So guys, as you can see this, how beautiful is it? As you can see, guys. So it only has three options for white, warm white, and then warm. So as you can see, where is it? So as you can see, that is for it's only white. And then if put off on, it's like let's say there is warm and white, and then that is warm. So and then it has a fan over here. So as you can see, there has a fan there, and then here we have provided how the provision for the TV. As you can see, there is first one here, and then the second over here. I think as you can see, this channel will come and design here well, they design a TV stand. So, but it's later, but not now. So this is our dining, guys. As you can see, it's not just much quiet, spacious, but at least it can accommodate to, let's say, 4, 6, or 8 people. This is our serving window that can communicate with our kitchen from that end. And then, as you can see, it has two wall bracket. The first one and the second one is over there. So as you can see, guys, it's we are almost ending our electrical work. So and then we have this amazing hanging one plate chandelier. As you can see, we have put there a green in color, and then we have provided a center piece. As you can see, we have put there a fan. So let me take you to the other bedroom, like bedroom, master bedroom, and the other two bedroom. So as you can see, this is our bedroom, our corridor, first corridor, and then there's another corridor over here, the second corridor. So there's another corridor there, and then there's a small partition, as you can see from this, that separates towards this from this end. It's our master bedroom, and then this room, it is our first bedroom. So come inside and show you how we have finished our installation. So this is our first bedroom. As you can see, we have provided downlights. They are 8 in number, and then there is a centerpiece over there, but we have put there red in color, so that maybe we have put red because it is dormant. When we come to lighting, you need to light much light. So we have provided there red in color, and then there's a strapping there for even when you come from the door, you can come and put it off while you are asleep over here. And then there's there a double socket. When maybe for example you have put here a board, you can charge your phone using this socket. So and then there's another socket over here. Let me take you to the master bedroom and then I show you how is it. So as you came to this master bedroom, guys, as you can see, there's enough provision for the light. So as you can see, this is our master bedroom. It's quite spacious. You can't complain maybe for the light storage or something. It's quite spacious. And then, so let me start showing you this tour. This is for our fan, and then this is our hanging clothes, one plate chandelier, and then we have provided a wall bracket, first one, and the second one, and the third one is over here, and then the fourth one it's on the other end while it enters towards the toilet. So guys, this provision, as you can see, this provision will come down and will install our wardrobe over here. It will come from this end, coming from this end, and then halfway of this way. So let me come and show you our toilet, guys. Even though it's too dirty, but you can. So this is our toilet. It's already finished. I think nothing else is remaining here. We have here provision our toilet, guys, and then there's a shower there, and then there's come and show them. There's here a hand machine that you can maybe wash your hands after when you're brushing your teeth or something else. So as you can see, we have already done with master bedroom. Only that is remaining. Maybe like I can say then only wardrobes. So let me take you to the third bedroom. As you can see, when you enter here, let me put it on first. This is the partition for our two bedroom. The first one is there and the second one. So let's say that maybe this is the third one and then this is the fourth one. So let me take you to and then this is our partition that provide even for the public toilet. As you can see, come and show them our public toilet. As you can see, it's just quite simple. It's not that much big and like the one for the master bedroom. So this is our hand basin, and then this is our toilet, and then this is our shower head. So as you can see, the tiles we have already installed. We have installed our tiles, all of them, and then already it has a running water. So everything we have it's completed. So let me take you to the to the third bedroom. Okay, I think they have locked, and then even this they have locked. So I will show you when the house is over. So let me take you towards this kitchen. As you can see, they have already. So the only remaining work is just for the high level and the low level wardrobe, the low level wardrobes for the partition for this down there. And then here we have our store, guys. As you can see, it's just we have finished. This is our store, and then we have this door that links up towards our outside. So guys, up to there. Thank you guys. Continue subscribing, share, like, comment. To any question that you feel, you can ask toward this channel, and then I will if I will be maybe in a able to way to answer you, I'll answer you. So let's meet on the next video.